here's how easy it is to core and fill your banana with Banana Loca. Take the banana and cut off the tip. Next, you're gonna use the holder to straighten the banana. The core goes into the center, and at the end you're gonna give a little twist to break off that core. Go ahead and cover and remove. We have this plunger cleaner here for you to be able to remove the center of the banana. And next, we're ready to fill. I'm using Nutella to fill my Banana Loca, but you can enjoy with a variety of food pairings, from peanut butter, jams and jellies, yogurt, honey, and even fluff. Whatever you desire, you're going to want a couple tablespoons of the filling to go into the hopper. Take the lever, press it down until you see the filling come out of the very tip of the nozzle there. Take your cored banana, insert it in the end, and let the filling do its job and push the banana out as you push down. And that's it.
Many of us love to juice because of the many health benefits. It's an easy and quick way to get more healthy fruits and veggies into your diet. Today, we're going to show you a convenient way to take advantage of the health benefits of everything that you see here. This avocado is a superfood, but to get those 20 vitamins and minerals, normally you'd have to use this large kitchen knife. Instead, this is the Brute Super Juicer. Just insert the avocado into the proprietary container, slide it onto the Brute Super Juicer, press the power button, and let the juicer do all the work. And the result is fresh, creamy, cold-pressed avocado. Blueberries are the king of antioxidant foods. Blueberries have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all common fruits and vegetables. Blueberries help protect against aging and cancer. Insert the blueberries into the proprietary container, slide it onto the Brute Super Juicer, and push the power button. Voila! Fresh blueberry juice. This tomato is a superfood. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to the reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. To take advantage of the benefits of lycopene, insert the tomato into the proprietary container, slide it onto the Brute Super Juicer, and push the power button. Now, you have fresh, cold-pressed, lycopene-loaded tomato juice. This apple is a superfruit. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. The nutrients in apples prevent high blood pressure and diabetes. Insert the apple into the proprietary container, slide it onto the Brute Super Juicer, and press the power button. And now you have fresh, cold-pressed, keeps the doctor away, apple juice. This orange is a superfruit. A single orange can provide 116% of your daily recommended vitamin C requirement, helping your body fight off the common cold. Insert the orange into the proprietary container, slide it into the Brute Super Juicer, and press the power button. And now you have fresh, cold-pressed, common cold-fighting orange juice. Grapes are a superfruit. Over 1,600 beneficial compounds have been identified in this fruit. To get the benefits of all 1,600 compounds, insert the grapes into the proprietary container, slide it on to the Brute Super Juicer, and push the power button. Now, you have fresh, cold-pressed grape juice with 1,600 beneficial compounds. This peach is a superfruit. Peaches improve the appearance and health of your skin. Insert the peach into the proprietary container, slide it onto the Brute Super Juicer, and press the power button. Now, you have a fresh, cold-pressed, creamy peach. This lemon is a superfruit. Lemons protect leukocytes, which produce antiviral substances and neutralize free radicals in our bodies. Insert the lemons into the proprietary container, slide it onto the Brute Super Juicer, and press the power button. And now you have fresh, cold-pressed lemon juice. These strawberries are superfruits. Strawberries protect your heart, increase good cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and guard against cancer. Insert the strawberries into the proprietary container, slide it onto the Brute Super Juicer, and press the power button. And now, you have fresh, cold-pressed strawberry juice. This pomegranate is king of the superfruits. Pomegranate juice has 3 times as many antioxidants as other antioxidant-rich beverages such as green tea and red wine. Insert the king of the superfruits into the proprietary container, slide it on to the Brute Super Juicer, and push the power button. And now, you have fresh, cold-pressed, king of the superfruits, pomegranate juice. The Brute Super Juicer makes it so easy, and there are many other fruits and veggies that you can use with the Brute Super Juicer. It's a great way to easily and quickly get more healthy fruits and veggies into your diet.